Welcome to Part 3 of Internet 101. Boolean logic. What is it? Well, it was created by British mathematician George Boole, who wrote about a system of logic designed to produce better search results. He called it the calculus of thought. From his writings, we came up with the operators and, or, and not, which we use to link words and phrases for more precise queries. The Boolean term AND actually narrows your search by retrieving only documents that contain every one of the keywords you enter. The Boolean OR expands your search by looking for either or both keywords, and the Boolean NOT and AND NOT limits your search by returning only your first keyword and not the second. You can also nest terms by using parentheses to combine several search statements. You can use implied Boolean operators like the plus and the minus sign instead of the words AND or NOT. Also, double quotation marks around two or more words force them to be searched as a phrase in that exact order. Proximity operators like near, adjacent, or same are not part of Boolean logic, but they serve the same function in searches. Boolean logic is not always simple or easy, and different search engines handle Boolean operators differently. Field searches. What is field searching? A typical web page is composed of the following major fields: title, domain, host or site, URL, and link. When information is entered into a records field, some search engines allow you to retrieve it by using the correct field label in combination with your search term. Title searching. The title appears in the blue banner at the very top of your browser's window. Searching for a keyword in the title field rather than as a keyword alone will very likely produce more relevant responses. Domain searching is searching for information from a particular kind of site, like an edu, a .com, a .gov, or a .org. Host or site searching is if you're seeking information from a specific computer or server. URL searching is if you're seeking a specific file and that file's name is part of the host site's URL. You may find it more quickly by choosing a URL search. Link searches are great if you have a web page and would like to know who's linking to it. Image searches are great if you want to find a particular image on the web. You will need to specify the image by name, which works only if the keyword is part of the image name. Other fields that can be searched include anchor, applet, object, text, language, sound, pictures, and date. Here are some troubleshooting tips. What if your search returns a zillion documents? You probably typed only one term and it was pretty common. Think of some synonyms and try adding two or more specific terms to your string. Or your search returns too few documents. You're probably searching in the wrong place, or your search is too narrow. You might also get some error messages. If you get a 404 file not found message, it's telling you that what you seek has been moved, removed, or renamed. Go back to your search engine and do a phrase search. If you get a server does not have a DNS entry message, this message tells you that your browser can't locate the server. You might also get a server error or server is busy message. The server you're attempting to contact may be offline, may have crashed, or may be very busy, so you should try again later. If you can't find the homepage for a well-known product or organization, try guessing and experimenting with different top-level domain names by using the name, brief name, or acronym. And now to the search engines that we know and love, Google and Yahoo. Google was created in the winter of 1998 by graduate students at Stanford University. It's the largest of all the search engines, indexing over 4 billion pages on the web. People love it because it's straightforward and easy to use. It returns pages based on the number of sites linking to them and how often they're visited. Google searches its own web databases and Google Directory, which is powered by Open Directory Project. It defaults to the Boolean term AND. Google uses in its main search the plus and minus signs and the double quotes for phrases. It also displays search options for images, videos, news, maps, and more. In its advanced search, you can use other Boolean type searching words, and it provides options to limit results. Yahoo Directory was created by Stanford graduate students launched in 1994. It began as a subject directory with an index of sites compiled into categories. In 2012, it teamed up with Google to become a search engine, and in 2004, it began its own search technology. Yahoo searches in its own subject directory as well as the web. It defaults to the Boolean OR. Yahoo's main directory page offers lots of links. Its main search page searches the web using its own technology, supports plus and minus signs and double quotes, as well as having an advanced search page. Thanks for joining me on Internet 101. For the source of all my helpful information, please visit this site. Till next time!
Created using Powtoon.